their highest and brightest in the night sky. I'll love you when the moon is lit, hiding behind the clouds as the moon peeks down on our love. I'll love you when the winds are calm and the ocean tides are walking across the beach sands. I'll love you for 100, no 1,000, no for a quadrillion years. I'll even take a love boat trip with you beyond the vast Milky Way, across the endless universe to each galaxy. I don't care how long, even if it takes an eternity, because numbers never end, and my love for you will never need a calculator or a time watch or hard mathematics, because my love for you, it's beyond timeless and beyond forever, because I want our love to last for eternity. That's why it took me to say just 2 words, I do. This is my wedding vow poem, Armand Cooper, 2016.